Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the monetization in your shorts feed here. So if you want to turn on the ads on your shorts, you have to go to your Chrome browser or any browser that you have. Then you have to log into your channel account here. Then click on the profile icon of your channel here. Then click on the YouTube studio here. After opening the YouTube studio here, remember you have to accept the new terms and review the new terms of 2023. So you have to accept these terms before July 2023. So if you already accept the option, if you don't know how to turn on the monetization on shorts, so just go to the left here and scroll down, and there you'll see option called earn here. So you have to click earn here. Then here you can see there's option called shorts feed ads. Earn from ads on YouTube Premium in the shorts feed here. So if you click on get started here, this will show you option called earn from ads from the shorts here. So just click on turn on here. After that, you have to review and accept the policy here. So just tap on the I accept the shorts feed terms here. You can check what it. You can also check what the writing here. So just click on accept. After accepting the terms, your earning from ads and YouTube Premium, the shorts feeds are on here. Sure, shorts feed in the YouTube ad is now turned on here. So you can, if you want to upload any video here, there will be a monetization option for your shorts feed here. So that's it guys, this is how to turn on shorts on monetization on YouTube channel. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.